Meet Priya, a 37-year-old working mom in Northeast Calgary. Priya knows that building trusting relationships and establishing a network of support is important for her family and her personal health. That's why Priya and her family are part of a patient medical home. This means they always visit Dr. Sharma, their family doctor, whenever they need healthcare services. Dr. Sharma's clinic is a friendly, welcoming place, exactly what you would expect from a place called home. Seeing Dr. Sharma for regular wellness care often prevents Priya and her family from getting sick. Priya also has support within the medical home by a whole team of experts who can help her with things like healthy eating, quitting smoking, managing diabetes, coping with depression, chronic pain, and many more healthcare opportunities. For example, Priya was experiencing pain from hip bursitis. She visited Dr. Sharma, who referred Priya to see a kinesiologist to learn some exercises. At first, Priya thought, there's no way exercise will help ease this pain. But it didn't take long for Priya to see how the exercises made her hips, low back, and neck feel much better. And the kinesiologist kept track of Priya's progress to make sure she did the exercises properly and that her condition was improving as expected. Dr. Sharma's office even called Priya to book a follow-up appointment at their clinic. After getting a consult note from the kinesiologist, Priya was amazed by how much every team member in her medical home was looking out for her health, and she learned how the team ensures nobody gets forgotten in a complicated healthcare system. Another Calgarian happy with his medical home is Naveen, a teacher new to Calgary who was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. He also had high cholesterol levels and was finding it hard to lose weight. Naveen was struggling to manage all of these issues on his own until he became a part of a medical home. Naveen now had a doctor, a diabetes nurse, a dietitian to help him with healthy eating, and a pharmacist to help him with his medicine. This is a whole team working with him to achieve his health goals. Together, they were able to reduce Naveen's blood sugar to normal levels within 4 months. He was also able to eventually reduce his cholesterol, blood pressure, and his weight. Based on his previous experiences, Naveen thought he would be struggling with diabetes for the rest of his life. So he was very pleasantly surprised by how quickly his medical home was able to help, and by how easy it was for him to have control over his own health. Being part of a medical home will make medical care quick and easy for you too. It is the starting place for all your medical needs, where you can discuss all your concerns with someone you trust will take good care of you. Everything is private and confidential. Your medical records are not shared with anyone outside your medical home. And research shows that people who have a continuous relationship with a family doctor and healthcare team live longer and they visit the hospital less. Being part of a medical home will help you feel more in control of your healthcare and will empower you to make well-informed health choices for you and your family. To get set up with your own medical home, visit mosaicpcn.ca or call the number on the screen.